Okay, we are live. Actually, I'm live. Okay, so let me pull up my account where it is. HackerRank Goldman Sachs. Okay, let's move forward to our Python. Right, calendar module expect exceptions. Let's try this one first with exceptions. Okay, 0 division error. This error is raised on the second argument of the number. It cannot be divided by 3 since. Okay, so they're gonna give us an input, right? 0 division error. Oh, sorry, my bad. What is it? What is wrong with the stream health is healthy? Okay, we are solving this one today. Let me copy paste the. Oh, okay, I got it. Thanks. Okay, let me fix my voice first. Oops, no, 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 no. It's going to be. Okay, now it's better. Okay, I need to fix my voice first. It's just. Okay, go back over here. 0 division error. This error is raised when the second argument. Okay, so handling exceptions. Errors detected during executions are called exceptions, right? This error is raised when the second argument of the division module is 0. Okay, so we have to try print over this thing. Except the E print error code E. Okay, so we can do something like this. Try input. So first they're gonna give us an integer, right? We're gonna say input and then convert it into an integer. Okay, for I in range input. I guess this block will go outside of the try one since we are doing it multiple times. So we should put this outside and then do the try thing. Okay, so first it's gonna give us an string and we're going to be input dot split. Okay. Bro. 0 and 1. Okay, thank you. So we got the first one and the second one, right? We're gonna convert it over here as an integer. So we can just print int string input 1 divided by int string 2. Okay. Okay, now that seems to be working. We gonna try over here. Okay, go over here. Catch. Oops. Try and catch. Oh, sorry, I was on Java, my bad. Except 0 division error like E print error code. We got it as this thing. Okay, so for int with base 10, okay, raise overflow, raise value error. Error is not defined, of course it's not defined. So in case of zero division or value, print the error code. Okay, we can just write two exceptions, okay? Except 0. Actually, I can just go back. Okay. Okay, so Your output is going to be division by 0. Okay, this is an integer division or modulo by 0, right? So instead of raising that exception, since they change it now, we can update this thing. Okay, let's submit code. Okay, we got it. Congratulations. Alright, keep moving. Okay. Oh, sheesh, we gotta fix that. So what I did is that I feel like in the new Python, the error was different. Like it was just saying division by 0, but in this problem we need to get this output. So I just copy pasted this one, so we can overwrite the test cases. So I just printed this thing. Okay. Okay, let's move forward. We got the calendar collections dot name tuples. Let's try this one. It seems easy. If we want to add a single element to an existing set, we can use the dot add operation. It adds the element to the set and returns now. Okay. If we want to add a single element, actually, let me try this way. Instead of using the set, right? We can just create for we can just do it like this. Input right range input, right? We have to take more inputs now. Okay, this is going to be our country. Then we can say ls dot account country. Okay. Once we have this thing, we can just print the. Let's try this thing. Yep. Okay. Let me use the set method now. Okay. Input is going to be an integer. It's the same thing, but just have to use the set dot add. Okay, let's move forward. Okay. Okay, in this case, the first line contains the integer n, the number of elements in the set 8. Set S. The second line contains n space separated elements, right? All of the elements are non-negative integers less than or equal to 9. The number of commands. Okay, if something is pop, we have to set .pop, remove record, and do this. Okay, so the first thing we have to create a set, right? Then we have to do nope times prime range times. We have to take the okay. What is this 10 thing? The third line contains the number of commands is 10. Okay, S is going to be a set. Input dot split. Create a set out of it. Okay, and after that we have to create the actions. Actions is going to be the same thing. Okay, so we have total how many actions? So pop, remove, discard. It's actually just three of these. Action tube. Okay, that is going to be our input dot split, right? So boy. Okay, so tuple unpacking should be done like this. Uh, let's try tuple unpacking. Create it in tuple. Okay, this thing is gonna give us a list, right? And we have to check unpacking list in Python, right? How to unpack a list? Colors red, blue, and green. I'm gonna do it like this way, actually. Action, comma, digit. Okay. So if action equals to oh, we have to check if the no, we don't need to do it actually. That action. It's going to be our input, right? We're just gonna make sure that if that action equal to pop. Okay, so we're gonna do as dot pop. Okay, and else we're gonna do action with the digit with the get action dot split. Okay, if action equal to discard, right? Oops, it's a string, making sure we don't get any errors. Actions equal discard. Bro, action equals to discard. Then we're gonna do s dot discard, and then we have to input the digit in there. Okay, action equals to pop discard, and then we have the remove. Okay, then we have s dot remove digit, and once we're done with that, all of it, we have to print the sorry sum of the s. Key error is 9, right? Key error 9. So input dot split. We have to map it as well, bro. What you doing? Map as an integer. Okay. Knew there was okay. Input dot split. This goes with the map thing, right? This goes with the no. Oh yeah, this goes with the map thing. Go back. We don't need you. Okay. So key error as 9, right? Which line you're talking about? Line 14. Action is going to be that. Then we have the digit is going to be equal to 1. Run it again. Was it giving me key error 9? Key error 9. Let's move to our subline. My friend subline, where are you? Okay. Okay, now I have to copy paste everything. Where is the pop remove 9? We can do our own. Hold on. Kill switch 3. Oops, I got it. I got the problem. I got the problem. Okay, so what we're doing is we're not converting that digit into an integer over here. That is why it is throwing us an still remove 1, right? One to 3, we have to do 2 actions on that. We have to remove 2, and then we have to pop 3. So uh we removed 2, and then we pop that item, right? So that way, where are you? Or key error 9. What is wrong with that? With 9, it's gonna go with times. Okay, it is giving me 9 times. Then after that, we are doing it times. It's the same thing, but why is that? Oh, it's not gonna do nothing if we s dot remove 4 print as line 14 if action is equal to remove s dot remove that digit, right? Let's just give our input. Okay, over here, if I go here, right? I put 9 there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, right? To then 10, remove 9, discard 9, then we have discard 8, then we have 7, then we have pop, discard 6, then we have remove 5, then we have pop, then we have discard 5, 4. It is giving me the right answer. Why it is not doing it over here? the heck? Some of us. It should be correct. Runtime error. So we are not actually executing the. Bro, key error 9. Key error 9. Okay, so space separated elements of set contains n space separated elements of set S. All of the elements are non-negative. This can only go wrong if we took a 9 over here input, right? And then we took the set over here as actions is going to be an integer. Why is this thing? Because we are getting the right answer over here. Okay, we have to return it. No, we don't have to return it. No response. Key error 9. Okay, why is it keep giving me the same error? Key error 9. Okay, let's test it against the same input. Let me remove it from here as well. Key error 9. I guess I have to reload this thing. Nope, 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 nope. Control plus F5. Delete everything. Because we solved it, but there's something wrong with the editor, I guess. Uh, This one we were doing it. Go back over here. Oops, no. Key error 9 on line 16. Fetching is equal to remove. Okay, let's just comment this thing out. Okay, run code. Pause it. Okay, we're getting 10, right? So there is something wrong with this line. Your output is 10 just because we didn't do the. We said it's 10, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 9. Okay, 9 elements and 10 operations, out of which we are doing pop remove 9, discard 9. So at this point we shouldn't have 9. Okay. Still key error 9? Bro. Let me replace this thing over here. Run the code again. Key error, bro. Key error. Why keep fixed it? We fixed it, bro. Fixed it. So Brady removes and returns an arbitrary element from the set. If there are no elements to remove, it raises key error. Oh, okay. This operation removes, since the last one is the pop, right? Okay, we can use try over here, pop the item, and then we can accept the pass. Very good. I hope it's gonna work. No, we still have key error. Okay. Let's do all of the try and pop. Okay, wrong answer. Okay, we now we need to figure out which one is doing the problem, right? So this was not pop. Pop was working properly. It was one of these in the if statements. Okay. we're gonna get the same answer. 6. Okay. So first we need to pop the item, right? I need to make sure, does it pop from the start or from the end? Cherry will be gone. Okay, any random item? Let's take this one. Hello. Why is it always popping cherry? Oh, no, cherry is here, banana is gone. Okay, pop an item, we remove 9, we discard 9, we discard 8, we remove 7, we pop and discard 6, remove 5, pop and discard 5 again. If we are left with 6, that means we have 2 in our set. Which one is doing the problem? With clear 9. That means the digit is doing the problem. Remove is doing the actual problem. Okay, why we keep getting the try s dot remove the digit. Okay, row into. I wouldn't expect to put this much time on this one, this problem. Okay, action set action dot split is not defined. Okay, remove 9. Okay, that seems to be working. If action is equal to remove, right? We're gonna remove the item from that list. Bro, we got the right answer. What's wrong with that now? K or 9. Okay, right. We aren't wasting any time on this one anymore. Bro, what are these guys doing over here? Okay. Okay, this is he split it, right? The same thing that we did. Choice dot zero is pop. And if choice zero is equal to discard. Bro, this is the same thing I'm doing. What do you Okay, I don't think we need to check on this one. Okay, that is going to be bro, if this thing works, I'm done with this. Okay, if choice zero. Okay, we did set action. Input dot split. Choice no way. Okay, discard that means action one. Okay, key error 9. Oh, that's good. Key error 9. Bro, this is so messed up. I don't know what was line 10. Key error is not defined. Of course, it's not defined. I just okay. Wrong answer. 6. For no reason. Okay. Here's the deal. Okay, if set action is equal to discard, then what we are doing? We're doing nothing. Sitting over here doing nothing. Okay, want again. Bro, what is this? Okay, we are getting we have discard, pop, remove discard, pop, remove discard, 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 discard. Okay, we at least we're not getting an error now. So the first line is we got the times, we got the set, and we got the actions, right? And after that we are taking for range actions. We're taking the actions. Let me run this thing. After every loop, I'm gonna set keep going up, keep going up, keep going up. Lf try running lf. Bro, 6 output. How come? How come? Okay, first we did pop, right? It's gonna take 1 out. We remove 9, we discard 9, we discard 7, 7, and we get discard 6, 5. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 are gone, right? And then we're using pop. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then pop 1, 2, 3. Why it is not removing 6? It should remove the, if set action 0 remove, and discard. Bro, this should work. 4. To ensure the proper input of the set, we have added the first 2 lines of the code to the editor. Let's go Python 3. Sure. Okay. Bro, this was all a mess. This time we're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. Actions. Processing, processing, processing. Bro, I need the right answer. Still processing. My God. Oh my. Set map input dot split. It gives a set. Okay, still processing. Let's run it one more time. Oh yes. Oh, yes. So the point was, instead of using the remove function, I just only use discard function. Just because this genius guy over here, this genius, thanks to Alex Marty, he said that if you want missing element to mean a silent no op, instead just use discard instead of remove. That's the crucial difference between discard and remove. So I just use discard and no remove function, so I was not getting the error. Well, oops, that was weird. Let's try removing as well. Okay, yeah, it still works. Remove still works. Okay, I guess that is all for today. We're gonna solve. Let me pin my message. Okay, replace the pin. Good day. Goodbye, guys. I'm gonna be signing off now. See you guys.